Well, hello. Here we are out here getting ready to work on the wrecker boom so we can prep it to put it on the International. As you see, we got a little snow last night. So, well, let's get to it. I'm going to go start the wrecker and set it next to here so we can use the boom on the military wrecker to lift this boom off. Well, looks like we've got some low tires. I gotta take care of that and get all the snow off of this guy. Well, that took about forever to air those tires up. Had two of them that were flat. Some of you asked to get a walk around with the military truck. It's a 1984 5-ton military wrecker. 250 Cummins in it. Comes with the Wilton vise, 20,000 pound front hydraulic winch. All the outriggers are manual. Eventually we'll change those out to hydraulic. And up in here we'll add some toolboxes and such. There's the seat for the crane portion. And these outriggers back here will get replaced with some hydraulic stiff legs back here, and we'll reconfigure the rear winch a little bit so it's a little bit more useful. Well, today we're working on stripping this down so we can get it set on the International. It's a little bit easier to work with without the boom and the underlift. So let's get started. So we've got to take the bolts out of this access panel. Hold the camera for me. I'm glad I got a tripod. Get the best I can here. there's bolts in there you gotta get to. One down. That's the easy side. This side has all the hydraulic hoses. Alright, so we got the hydraulic lines off. Some of them I had to verbally persuade off of there. Camera needed an update, so it didn't capture me lifting the boom off. So we got the update done, got some lunch left on it, and now we're going to take the back aluminum piece off so we can get some bolts out. Well, we've got it up at the shop now, and we can start working. Getting this thing tore down and all the old brackets underneath all cut out, and so we can get it fit right to the International. I need to cut all this stuff off. I don't need any of that. Get everything cleaned up and ready to put on the truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Till next time.